Hi everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I have an unboxing. As you can see from my thumbnail, it came like this and it's from Hermes. And this is actually the first time that I was able to order online. Usually these things sell out, but you already know that it's a bag charm. So, which one did I get? Now, if you've seen the new colors for 2025, I mean, this color I really like, and it came like this. I'm so happy. My first online purchase came with no issues and didn't get canceled like Louis Vuitton does. So let's unbox it. I think that's so cute. The ribbon, and it's 2025. Hermes Paris. Just something little. Of course, I just drop everything. So you can already see I made a mess of the tissue here. Cute little rodeo charm in the color Gris Patin. How long did I practice that for? It is described as an elegant blue gray, and I actually love this color. Remember, for my wish list I had one on there that was the Vert comics, and that was also online, but you know what, I waited too long and then of course it sold out. So this one came on with another one called Sesame, and they were gone within one day. So let's try it on my little mini bolide here. Oh, hang on, maybe I'll do the other side because I have charms on that side. I've got the lock and key. There we go. That's how it looks on. Oh, sorry, I don't have a mini bolide. Oh my gosh, guys. I have a vintage bolide. So that's how it looks against the color Blanc. I finally remembered. So I think that's looks cute together. I am just so excited. How can you tell? I'm lost for words. Who gets excited over bag charms? Well, you know what? I do. Okay, and let's try it on the Mac Daddy Birkin. Yes, I can, Denise. Yes, I can. Tick, 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 tock, tick, tock. Oh, I like that. I actually really like that, guys. You can see my little Pegasus. I keep that there always. And this is my shoulder Birkin, the OG. John Paul Gaultier. And I actually have used this bag so much for travel this spring and summer while I was away. This went to Mazatlan, it went to Vernon, it went all over. I'm not going to bore you guys with everything again. You see that in every video. But I really like it against the taupe. Okay guys, I was so excited I forgot like all the details. So I got the color down pat. I just wanted to show you. It is so it's so soft. It's just buttery soft, and it's the Swift leather. And oh my gosh, I just love the wings. Anything with wings, I love. But yes, forgot to mention that. Buttery soft, and smells like a new car. So that's it, guys. Just a quick, unboxing, because I've never done one before, and of Hermes online. So I just thought I'd share that with you. So thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. That would be awesome. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.